So in this video, we have been asked to differentiate this function, which is 2x to the power 3 by 2 minus 4x to the power 3 by 4. So this is a power rule question. So you will remember this formula, which is d by dx of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. So we'll just apply the same rule here. So if we differentiate this first function, 2 will come out. This 3 by 2 from the top will come in the front, which would be times 3 by 2 x to the power n, which is 3 by 2 minus 1. The same thing will be done here, which is minus 4 comes out, x to the power 3 by 4. 3 by 4 comes in the front, like this here, and x to the power n minus 1. So x to the power 3 by 4 n minus 1. So now we'll just have to simplify this question. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, 4 and 4 gets cancelled out. There is 3 on both the sides, so we can take 3 common, and we'll just have to take LCM here, which is x 3 by 2, which is 3 minus 2 over 2 minus x to the power 3 minus 4 over 4. I just took the LCM and I'm going very slow to make you understand each and every step, which would be x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power minus 1 by 4. This is your final answer for this differentiation question. Let's move on to the next question.